Hey, my dear students, if I ask a question, how do you want to lead your life in the world? No doubt, your answer will be beautiful. But have you ever thought some people cannot see the beauty of the world after birth? They are right, live in the world, same to us. As a human being, you should show sympathy and help them to live in the world beautiful. Dear students, our today's topic is life is beautiful. My dear students, before going to test, I discuss some vocabularies for your better understanding. Life. Life Bengali means জীবন is হয় beautiful সুন্দর. Life is beautiful জীবন সুন্দর. Beautiful সুন্দর. Synonym nice, pretty, fair, lovely. Spring বসন্ত. The season after winter and before summer. My dear students, you know there are 6 seasons in Bangladesh and spring is one of them, and it is the last season of the year. Get up, ঘুম থেকে ওঠা, wake up, arise, happy, সুখী, glad, pleased, delighted, gladsome, playing good, window, জানালা, ventilator, the place of ventilation, smell, ঠান্ডা, scent, flavor, savor, breakfast, সকালের নাস্তা, the first meal of the day, lot, ভাগ্য, fate, luck, fortune, neighborhood, Bengali means প্রতিবেশী, locality, surroundings, visually, দৃষ্টি, with respect to vision, impaired, প্রতিবন্ধী, having disability in the parts of the body. My dear students, for your better understanding, I would like to read the text with Bengali meaning. Let's enjoy. It's a beautiful spring day. ইহা হয় একটি বিউটিফুল সুন্দর স্প্রিং ডে বসন্তের দিন। মারিয়া গেটস আপ, মারিয়া ঘুম থেকে ওঠে আর্লি, তাড়াতাড়ি। She feels happy, সে অনুভব করে সুখ। She knows, তিনি জানেন that it is a nice day, যে ইহা একটি সুন্দর দিন। because she puts her hand, সে puts রাখে her hand, তার হাত, on the glass, গ্লাসের উপরে, of the window, জানালা। অর্থাৎ যে মারিয়া জানালার গ্লাসের উপরে হাত রাখে এবং বুঝতে পারে ইহা গরম। It is very warm, খুব গরম। She opens the window, সে খোলে জানালা। and the singing of the birds, singing মানে গান, of the birds, পাখির গান, fills the room, ভরে যায় কক্ষ। She can smell, সে ঘ্রাণ নিতে পারে, the flowers, ফুলের, outside her home, বাইরে তার বাড়ি। They smell sweets, তাদের গন্ধ মিষ্টি, and fresh, সতেজ। After Maria gets dressed, পরে মারিয়া gets dressed মানে পোশাক পরার পরে, and has her breakfast, সকালে নাস্তা খাওয়ার পরে, she puts her books, সে রাখে, puts মানে রাখা, her books, তার বই, in her bag, in মানে মধ্যে, her bag, তার ব্যাগের। she is ready for school, সে স্কুলের জন্য প্রস্তুত। Maria is a lord, মারিয়া ভাগ্যবতী, like any other students, যেমন any other students, অন্যান্য ছাত্রদের মতো, in her neighborhood, প্রতিবেশী। She goes to school, সে স্কুলে যায়, and likes to be with her friends, এবং বন্ধু হতে পছন্দ করে। But Maria cannot see the beautiful spring, কিন্তু মারিয়া cannot see, মারিয়া দেখতে পারে না, the beautiful, সুন্দর spring, বসন্তের দিন। She cannot see the flowers, দেখতে পারে না ফুল, the blue sky, নীল আকাশ, or the singing birds, বা পাখির গান। She cannot see the new green leaves, she cannot see, দেখতে পারে না new green leaves, নতুন সবুজ, green means সবুজ, leaves পাতা, on the trees, গাছের পাতা। she cannot see this, সেগুলো দেখতে পারে না, because she is visually impaired, কারণ she is হয় visually দৃষ্টি প্রতিবন্ধী। she has been unable, সে অক্ষম to see দেখতে since she was born, তার জন্ম থেকে। but Maria is happy, মারিয়া সুখী, she goes to school every day, সে প্রত্যেকদিন স্কুলে যায়। she can learn, সে পড়ে শিখতে, the information তথ্য, because কারণ she reads brain, সে পড়ে brain। brain is a script, brain একটি পত্র, that uses raised dots, যা uses অর্থে ব্যবহার করা হয়েছে, raised মানে চাকব্রত, dots, dot each letter is made from, প্রত্যেক বর্ণ, each means প্রত্যেক letter বর্ণ is made from dot, dot দিয়ে তৈরি। people move their fingers, people মানে লোকজন কি করে, আঙ্গুল নড়াচড়া করে, across the raised dots, across মানে উপর দিয়ে, the raised dots উপর দিয়ে পড়ার জন্য। মারিয়া লার্ন, মারিয়া শিখেছিল to read braille পড়তে as a young child, একজন যুবতী বালিকা হিসেবে। her books at school, তার স্কুলের বই are in braille, she enjoys reading poems, সে উপভোগ, সে কি করে, সে কবিতা পড়ে, and history ইতিহাস পড়ে। Maria's teacher, মারিয়ার শিক্ষক says, বলে, she is a good learner, সে একজন ভালো শিক্ষার্থী। My dear students, let's discuss a model question. First question is, fill in the gaps with the best word from the box. Find the information in the text. There are extra words which you need not use. My dear students, there is a box and here given some words, and there are some there are some gaps. You have to fill the gaps to take the word from the box, but you have to read the text carefully before answering the question. সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, তোমাদেরকে এখানে একটি বক্স দেওয়া আছে, বক্সের নিচে কতগুলো শূন্যস্থান দেওয়া আছে, এগুলো পূরণ করতে হবে। এই বক্স থেকে শব্দগুলো নিয়ে কিন্তু তোমাদেরকে কি করতে হবে, টেক্সট সুন্দর করে পড়ে নিতে হবে। Our A question is Maria feels. My dear students, before writing the answer, we should read the text. Maria gets up early. She feels happy. My dear students, she feels happy. Here she is Maria. So our answer will be Maria feels happy. Maria feels happy. The day is ready. We should read the text. She knows that it is a nice day because she puts her hand on the glass of the window. It is very warm. It is very warm. Maria keeps her hand on the glass of the window and feels warm because the sun shines on the glass. That's why the day was nice and sunny. That's why our answer will be sunny. The day is very sunny. Option C, Maria can catch the flowers. If we read the text, she can smell the flowers. My dear students, here smell. That's why our answer will be smell. Maria can smell the flowers. Option D, she cannot see the new dash leaves. If we read the text, we can see that she cannot see the new green leaves on the trees. She cannot see the new dash leaves, new green leaves. Our answer will be green. Okay. Next question. Maria is a dash girl. Maria is a dash girl. My dear students, here is the option disable. মানে Bengali means প্রতিবন্ধী বা অক্ষম। If we read the text, she cannot see this. সেগুলো দেখতে পারে না because she is visually impaired. কারণ সে দৃষ্টি প্রতিবন্ধী। That's why our answer will be disable. My dear students, our second question is write true for the correct statement or false for the incorrect statement. My dear students, there are 6 true false question. If the statement is true, you should write true, and if the statement is false, you write only false. অর্থাৎ সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা এখানে 6টি প্রশ্ন রয়েছে। 6টি প্রশ্নের মধ্যে যদি প্রশ্নটি সত্য হয় তাহলে তুমি ট্রু লিখবে এবং যদি মিথ্যা হয় তাহলে ফলস লিখবে। Before writing the answer, we should go through the text carefully to write the answer correctly. Our first question is, Maria can't hear the singing of the birds. But students, Maria is visually impaired. That's why she can't see the singing of the birds. But here is a word here. It is incorrect. It is incorrect. That's why our statement is false. For A, we write only true. Option B, Maria likes to be with her friends. My dear students, we write these lines. We can see that likes to be with her friends. She likes to be here. She meant Maria. That's why our big question is correct and we write true. A visually impaired student is not able to study. A visually impaired student is not able to study. It is incorrect and we write false because Maria is a visual impaired student and he is able to study because he goes to school every day and he learn information and read poems and history. That's why this statement is incorrect and answer will be false. Option D, Maria can read braille. True. Maria can read braille. Maria enjoys reading storybooks. Maria enjoys reading storybooks. Maria enjoys reading poems and history. But dear students, if we read the text, we can see that Maria enjoys reading storybooks. Maria enjoys reading poems and history. That's why this statement is incorrect and we write false. Maria is a slow learner. But dear students, it is false because Maria is a good learner. But dear students, in the examination, we write the answer this way. Answer of the question number 2. Option A false, B true, C false, D true, E false, F false. My dear students, our third question is answer the following questions. There are 6 questions below and we write through the answer of the question by reading text. My dear students, you have to remember that we should always write the answer of the questions according to our text. Our first question is, when does Maria get up? Maria gets up early. My dear students, our answer will be Maria gets up early. Maria gets up early. What does Maria do before going to school? Write 2 sentences. What does Maria do before going to school? Write 2 sentences. If we read the text, we can see that Maria gets dressed and has her breakfast. My dear students, we can write 2 sentences are option 1, Maria gets dressed. We can write from here, Maria gets dressed. Option 1. Option 2, we can write, she has her breakfast. Option C, why can't Maria see the beauty of the spring day? My dear students, we can see these lines to understand this question. She cannot see the new green leaves on the trees. She cannot see this because she is visually impaired. Because she is visually impaired, we can write this question in this way. Maria can't see the beauty of the spring day because she is visually impaired. What is braille? Write in 3 sentences. Write in 3 sentences. My dear students, what is braille? We can go through these lines and write our answer. We can write 3 sentences are option 1, Braille is a script that uses raised dots. Option 2, this letter is made from dots. Option 3, people move their fingers across the raised dots to read. Option E, why is Maria called good learner? Why is Maria called good learner? We can write this sentence in this way. Maria is called good learner because she goes to school every day and learn the information and enjoys reading poems and story. Okay, our next question is, what things Maria can't see? Write in 2 sentences. Maria can't write 2 sentences. The 2 sentences are Maria can't see the new green leaves on the trees. Okay, she cannot see the flowers, the blue sky. We can write Maria cannot see the flowers. Option 1 and option 2. Maria cannot see the blue sky. My dear students, we can decorate our answer in this way. Answer to the question number 3. Option A, Maria gets up early. Option 2, 2 sentences are Maria gets dressed. She has her breakfast. Option 3, Maria can't see the beauty of the spring day because she is visually impaired. Option D, 2 sentences are Braille is a script that uses dots. This letter is made from dots. Option E, Maria is called a good learner because she goes to school every day and learn information and enjoys poems and story. Option F, 2 sentences are Maria can't see the blue sky. She can't see the flowers. My dear students, our question number 4 is write a short composition about a visually impaired person you know. Write at least 5 sentences. My dear students, you have to write a short composition named a visually impaired person you know. My dear students, there are many visually impaired persons in our society. At first, we identify them, identify one of them, and then write about himself or herself. Write at least 5 sentences to the topic. Remember to use capital letters, punctuation, correct spelling, and sentence structure. My dear students, you have to write at least 5 sentences, and you write capital letters, punctuations, correct spelling, and the sentence pattern correctly. If you mistake any of these, you will not full marks in the examination. You can, if you wish, you can write more than 5 lines, but I recommend you to write only 5 sentences. Only 5 sentences, because if you write more and you will do wrong, you will be punished and you will get 4 marks. That's why you should always write 5 sentences. A visually impaired person I know. Suppose I write in this way. I know a visually impaired person. His name is Rakib. He goes to school regularly. For this line to write, you can help from the text. See, he loves to be with his friends. His dream is to set up a school for the disabled child. Everybody loves him very much. My dear students, you can write this composition in this way. Thank you very much.